Obviously, there's 7,000 private equity companies. They're chasing an ever-vanishing small number of transactions. They're all raising the bar. They're all looking for that higher quality, higher premium business. Do you think that basically means that private equity is now kind of less useful to the rest of the world?
Yeah, it's an incredibly different space than what it was when I was in there even a decade ago. And I think there was a purist sort of thesis that private equity firms in particular have around where they'll deploy capital. It has to be to this level of size. It has to be this industry. It has to have these certain characteristics. What I'm seeing, which is really interesting, is a lot of private equity firms now are doing growth capital investments. And they're also looking at other ways of kind of deploying their cash, which used to be majority buyouts. And so then you start to think, well, actually, that's starting to look like a bit of a VC model. What's also happening is you're seeing a lot of private equity firms literally go out of business. You're starting to see funds then get bought out by other funds. So there's where there is money being allocated, there's a deal being done by the private equity firm. I wouldn't be able to say if it's an acquisition per se. It's more like a merger, but you're starting to see some of the smaller firms and funds get consolidated in the same way we see business industries getting consolidated. So it's a really different world. I still think it's powerful. I still think it's important. There's still a lot of money out there, but the way you access it is just different to what it used to be.